you're gonna make a fishing video for YouTube, first thing you gotta do is you gotta talk into the camera while you're on your way to the fishing spot. If you don't do that, it's not a real fishing video for YouTube. After you're finished telling people where you're going, then you gotta do this. When you get where you're going, it is extremely important, and listen to me here, it is extremely important that you make sure everybody knows that you used your car keys to get into your car and drive it away. So you have to get a shot of you turning off the car and then you opening the door. If you don't do that, it is not an official YouTube fishing video. Watch, it looks something like this. Totally messed that up. The next thing you have to do is actually put your camera on the ground somewhere so that it looks like you didn't have a camera there when you drove into the parking lot. That's the thing I gotta do. Stand by. For Christ's sake, people, you don't want people to think that you teleported. Alright, this next part's crucial. You gotta set up your camera way far ahead of where you're going, and then you gotta walk by it in slow motion carrying all your stuff. That way you look like Baywatch going fishing. Next thing you got to do is you got to get your GoPro chesty on. You got to get your GoPro chesty on so that you can talk into it. You also want everybody to see what kind of reel you're using, because how else are they going to know you're on the pro staff? Come on. Alright guys, we got a little piece of shrimp here. Got a little 1/8 of an ounce Bass Pro Shops brand jig. Just making sure everybody sees the reel. You guys see the reel? Fishing out here in the Intercoastal Waterway, right out here in Pompano Beach. What I got is a little dead shrimp out there just soaking. When that dude takes off, I'm just gonna close the bail on my Okuma Stratus SV25, and you'll know when he hits right away. Alright, I feel my bait getting nervous. I feel him getting nervous, guys. Alright, I think something's got it. I think something's got it. It's taking off. It could be a crab though. Ooh, did you see that? Did you guys see that swirl? He almost killed it. Ooh, look at that line. Checking our bait, making sure everything is still there. It looks like we haven't even been nibbled. See what happens? You get bit by cudas. Cudas are not your friend. Barracuda. said and done, what you got to do, because you took so much time setting up all your stuff and cameras, getting all your shots, you didn't catch any fish. So you have to have like a closing in your video. It's like, guys, you know, sometimes the fishing just doesn't go our way. That's why they call it fishing and they don't call it catching. And if you like this video, comment, subscribe, smash that like button. You got to do all that stuff, right? Because if you don't do that, no one's gonna watch your videos again, even though you didn't catch fish. That's how YouTube videos for fishermen are made. You're welcome.